You're looking kinda sus. Hi everyone, my name's Katina Johnson. I'm going to be showing you how to make a pattern from a printout and make it look kinda sus in some felt. We're going to be making felt ornaments in this video. You'll first need to get some scissors and cut it out. Now we're going to cut out each section. You may need to use an X-Acto knife for this, or if you're really careful, you can do it with scissors. These are the materials you'll need for your Among Us plush ornament. You'll need some thread. You can use thinner thread, you can use thicker thread. The colors of the Among Us character you chose, I chose the red, and the pattern that you printed out and cut apart into little pieces. I'm going to make a circle for the background of the ornament that fits the outline of the ornament. I found this and I'm going to use that. I'm going to trace around the circle on this purple piece of felt 2 times, and that'll be the background. To trace the outline, I suggest using a white colored pencil to trace along. If you are confident, you can use an X-Acto knife, but I don't recommend it. And all these pattern pieces I'm gonna trace and cut out, and I'll see you in a second. Just a quick little tip about tracing these. I'm using a pen and I don't want black marks showing on my felt, so what I have done is flip over your pattern and trace it this way, so the marks will be on the back of your felt and not the front. Here are all the pieces completely cut out except for the hand that is pointing, but I will complete that. And now I'm gonna use some hot glue and some entire thing together, which I'll speed up the process of. Going to be using some white acrylic paint for some stars. I'm going to use this little gold ribbon as something to hang it from. I'm going to hold it like this, twist, just like that. And we're going to glue it right on here. And the last thing we're going to do is put some glue around the edges. You can stuff this if you want. You can put even more on there. I didn't do the hand like I thought I was, but that's okay. You can do the knife behind the back on the back. You can do anything. I'm just going to rest this right on here. Okay. And you have a nice, simple Among Us ornament made out of felt, hot glue, and your creativity. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If you want even more fantastic content, check out our Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube at CMC Library.